Imagine an animal that never breathes. No lungs, no gills, no oxygen. Sounds impossible until you peer into the blackest corners of the ocean and meet the loriciferans. Scientists dropped instruments into a Mediterranean basin so salty and dense that it sits like a lake on the seafloor. It looks like glass. It smells of rotten eggs, and it contains zero oxygen. For decades, that place was written off as lifeless. Then tiny armored creatures were pulled up from the sediment, alive. Not just surviving, thriving. These microscopic animals live their entire lives in an environment where every textbook says animals should suffocate. They move, feed, and reproduce without oxygen. The discovery tore a hole in everything we thought about animal metabolism. Here's the twist. Inside their cells, there are no ordinary mitochondria, the tiny machines animals use to burn oxygen for energy. Instead, they carry strange, simplified organelles that look like hydrogenosomes, structures we usually see in single-celled microbes that live without oxygen. The animals likely partnered with bacterial allies, swapping chemistry in a subterranean cooperation that replaces breathing. Think of it as a biological hack. Where most animals depend on a steady stream of oxygen, these creatures tap into ancient, alternative chemistry. They metabolize sulfur and hydrogen-rich compounds in the briny mud. The result is a life built on chemistry that, until this discovery, we only associated with microbes at hydrothermal vents and in hostile pools of poison. The implications are staggering. If complex animals can evolve to abandon oxygen on Earth, the rulebook for where life can exist just got much thinner. Worlds like Jupiter's moon Europa or Saturn's moon Enceladus, long thought only to host microbes, suddenly look like plausible homes for multicellular life. Even early oceans on our own planet might have hosted animal-like forms before oxygen filled the atmosphere. This isn't a trivia note in a biology class, it's a paradigm flip. Life found a bypass. It rewired the cell and kept going. If this shocked you, imagine what's still hiding in the deep. Subscribe to explore the next thing that rewrites what it means to be alive. Click follow and don't miss the next mind-bending discovery.